Hello, friends. Welcome to our English shadowing practice. Today, we are going to learn useful phrases at the airport, checking in. You will listen and repeat, improve your English conversation, and feel confident in real life. This video is perfect for A2 to B1 level learners. Let's practice together and make your next airport experience easy and fun. Part 1. Arriving at the airport and queuing. I have arrived at the airport early. I have arrived at the airport early. The airport looks very busy today. The airport looks very busy today. I need to find the check-in counters. I need to find the check-in counters. Where is the counter for flight 123 to London? Where is the counter for flight 123 to London? Excuse me, is this the line for economy class? Excuse me, is this the line for economy class? I have my passport and ticket ready. I have my passport and ticket ready. I hope the line moves quickly. I hope the line moves quickly. There is a lot of luggage in front of me. There is a lot of luggage in front of me. I check my bag and make sure it's under 23 kilograms. I check my bag and make sure it's under 23 kilograms. I see a family with many suitcases. I see a family with many suitcases. A friendly airport worker greets me. A friendly airport worker greets me. I feel a little nervous about the flight. I feel a little nervous about the flight. I take a deep breath and wait patiently. I take a deep breath and wait patiently. Part 2. Checking in at the counter. It's my turn at the counter. It's my turn at the counter. Good morning. I would like to check in, please. Good morning. I would like to check in, please.
May I see your passport and ticket? May I see your passport and ticket?
Here you are. Here you are.
How many bags are you checking in? How many bags are you checking in?
Just one bag, please. Just one bag, please.
Is it over the weight limit? Is it over the weight limit?
No, it's 20 kilograms. No, it's 20 kilograms.
Do you have any carry-on luggage? Do you have any carry-on luggage?
Yes, I have a small backpack. Yes, I have a small backpack.
Please place your bag on the scale. Please place your bag on the scale. Thank you. Your bag is fine. Thank you. Your bag is fine. Here is your boarding pass. Here is your boarding pass. Your gate is B12, and boarding starts at 10:30 a.m. Your gate is B12, and boarding starts at 10:30 a.m.
Part 3. After checking in.
Thank you very much. Thank you very much. I take my boarding pass and bag tag. I take my boarding pass and bag tag. Now I need to find the security checkpoint.
Now I need to find the security checkpoint. Which way is the security area? Which way is the security area? I walk carefully, following the signs. I walk carefully, following the signs. I see passengers showing their boarding passes. I see passengers showing their boarding passes. I place my backpack in the tray. I place my backpack in the tray. I remove my jacket and shoes. I remove my jacket and shoes. The security officer smiles and says, "Have a nice flight." The security officer smiles and says, "Have a nice flight." Thank you. I feel excited. Thank you. I feel excited. I pick up my belongings on the other side. I pick up my belongings on the other side. I look at the screens to find my gate. I look at the screens to find my gate. I am ready to go to gate B12 and wait for boarding. I am ready to go to gate B12 and wait for boarding. Great job, everyone! Today, we practiced at the airport, checking in. Keep listening and repeating these phrases to improve your English conversation. Remember, shadowing is a fun way to learn English naturally. You are doing amazing at A2 to B1 level. Keep practicing, and soon you will feel confident at any airport. See you in the next video.